What's up guys, Joey here, Tech, and in a previous video, we unboxed the all-new Vivo X60 and talked a bit about Vivo's new partnership with ZEISS, which aims to produce smartphones exactly like the X60 right here. With a camera system co-engineered with one of the world's leaders in imaging technology, it has a lot of camera features that allow users to achieve professional level photography. The X60's rear camera module contains great hardware including a 48 megapixel main sensor, a 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 13 megapixel telephoto lens. These high-resolution cameras with ZEISS lenses are the foundation of the X60's photography prowess. So now let's check out what they can do. The first feature we're going to be checking out is the portrait mode, which pretty much works like any other portrait mode out there. It uses software algorithms to separate the subject from the background and then blur the latter. But what makes the X60's portrait mode special is the ability to replicate the iconic look of ZEISS Biotar lenses. What this means is that you get a rotational bokeh effect with the subject looking really clean and really sharp. The portrait lens also has an equivalent focal length of 50mm, which is a pretty common focal length used by professionals to take nice portraits. It's because a 50mm lens is pretty close to the human eye's perspective, adding a bit of authenticity and a natural look. Moving on, we can also get an absurd amount of detail with the 48 megapixel Ultra HD setting. This shows the full power of the primary rear camera utilizing pixel shift, which is a method of producing super high-resolution images. The sensor first takes one shot, and then the sensor itself shifts direction slightly for another shot, and then the process repeats multiple times. These multiple shots are then stacked together to produce an image with a resolution of 8000 by 6000, which is super detailed. And you can really see the difference, especially when you zoom in. Now let's focus our attention on the X60's low-light capabilities enabled by Vivo's Extreme Night Vision 2.0. Using updated AI noise reduction algorithms, we can still get stunning night shots even in near pitch darkness. It's very simple to use as all you need to do is swipe over to the night tab in the camera app and click away. However, it's also got other features like panorama night mode, which is unique as usually panorama modes don't utilize the same algorithms that night mode uses. Night mode is also available for the ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, so you don't need to worry about using a particular lens. Moving on, we can't say the X60 allows you to achieve professional levels without talking about the Pro mode. Here you get full control over exposure controls like shutter speed and ISO, white balance and autofocus, as well as the ability to shoot in RAW. Using a smartphone's built-in AI and photo processing algorithms make everything easy, but it's also important to be able to dial in exactly what settings your photo needs. The X60's Pro mode can provide exactly that. Lastly, let's check out how the X60 can capture motion. It's not just with video though, especially because of the Pro Sports mode that allows you to capture fast-paced action like with sports, your pets, or your kids. And for video, the X60 comes with 5-axis video stabilization using enhanced OIS combined with EIS to achieve really stable videos. Whether you're moving or your subject is moving, the X60 can definitely handle that in a spectacular manner. So those are the camera features of the Vivo X60 that allow users to achieve professional level photography. I hope you guys learned a lot in this video, and if you had one favorite camera feature of the X60, let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.